Unjami, unjami, unjami. So what to na boo so what to na boo.
Hello. Bebacho, Director, good morning.
Good morning.
Bebacho, many Giona me fro say I just want to be part of your production.
Oh, okay. All right, what is your name again?
Franka.
Okay, Franka.
Please, baby, I try me no my bedroom, but I think said there is 4 junction B. And I may fret because I say, me fine, cause me far right, I left there is some yellow building with some yellow car. May go straight in, so I also yeah. Be poka crab, but there is some greenhouse. Me far right and so there is some factory be omucha break a box near there. So yeah, and temperature which is which.
Okay. There is my girl blocks in the factory. But I'm sort of
Factory no, that means me say right.
right. And then you are coming towards the top there.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. So if I get there, should I call you or cause the destination?
Exactly.
Okay. Thanks.
Action.
This guy is keeping on good. Why is passing? Huh? You have to call me, but he didn't call me. Hmm?
Please.
Hello?
I'm the one. I just want to confirm.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Good morning.
Uh, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's great.
Please, I'm Franka.
Okay, you are the Franka.
Yes.
You called me.
Yeah.
You want to act?
Yes, please.
Uh,
Sorry
okay.
for calling again.
Oh, don't worry.
It was a mistake.
Oh, don't worry. Oh my goodness. You're looking so great.
Thanks.
Okay. Let me see. Are you sure you can act well?
Yes.
You can act well.
Yes, please.
Okay. Let me see. Who is your real model?
My real model.
Exactly.
A certain girl. I think she's YouTube actress.
Okay. What is the name?
Actually,
You don't know his name, but you
I've
can see.
forgotten, but yeah.
You can see how the way he acts. Well,
Yeah, she's very good in acting.
Okay.
Yeah, she's with a colleague called Ahmad Sunja.
Oh, okay. Your name is Frankie or something.
Yeah, Franka.
Frankie. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Oh.
she's my role model.
Oh, that's good. Oh my goodness. Have you short of words? Because I see you are looking so great.
Thanks.
The role they will give it to you will fit you well.
Thanks.
The role they will give it to you, because I'll give you more roles, because the way you are standing, your body and everything show that you can act well. Gosh, oh my goodness. Okay, let me see something small.
Can't we go to your office?
No, I'm going to location.
Okay.
We are going to shoot. I have the script over here.
Okay.
But I want to test you and see that maybe you can do it well or you can't.
Alright.
Do you understand me? Oh, okay, let me see. You can act something small like the person you are talking to. Like you are talking to somebody, like you say your role model is Frankie. What is that he do? Like something small, let me see that you can do your best work.
But she got a different role, so you just give me the role.
So, okay, let me see. Any role you have, or maybe you can read your mind that, okay, Frankie, like sometimes they walk in a catwalk or any, but let me see. Give me the catwalk. Give me the catwalk, let me see.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Can you get this for me?
Give it to me.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Bring it. Yeah. Or it's acting.
Okay,
Yeah,
let
bring
me
it. Or it's acting. Bring it. That is it. Okay, let me hold it. Start the whole thing again. You are too much. Start the whole thing again. Give me the shot. Give me the shot. And go, let me see. Give me the shot. Oh my goodness. Oh God. You are so splendid. Hey, when the camera is on you, I say you will feel good.
Oh, sorry, please meet me. I don't want to disturb you.
Oh, okay.
Thanks.
So I'm going to see some movie. I don't know, maybe you will join me and we can go and let me show you to director, or maybe introduce you to directors over there and maybe after that we are not going on set, maybe the other director will use you and there.
Okay, I think that's good, cause
Shakala, bagala, shakala, bagala, unjami,
good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I'm do you live around?
Yeah, I live around here. Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for Mr. Pachi.
Mr. Kwachi.
Yeah.
Mr. Kwachi. Oh, Mr. Kwachi. The one where he died or the living one?
No, the living one. The king of this town.
Oh, okay. Okay, oh, Mr. Kwachi. Okay, let's pass here.
Like, you're gonna show me?
Exactly. I want to show you.
Okay, thanks.
Or maybe, no. Let's pass here. Oh, that's good. You come from city, eh?
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's good.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.
I'm tired.
You drink water.
No, I'm tired, like my legs.
Now so bad. Move.
Hey.
But you move forward.
I'm moving.
Mr. Kwachi, the town. Mr. Kwachi, the town.
Not the town, the king.
Mr. Kwachi, the king, the town.
Yes, the king, the town.
Oh. Sorry.
Hey.
Mr. Kwachi, the king, the town. Looking for. Okay, move.
Hey, today be today. Oh,
No,
I was saying today be today.
And now what is today to meaning?
Meaning, Like you're a wonderful person. God bless you.
You look handsome.
Oh, thanks.
And you are everything handsome.
Thanks.
You're what? Handsome.
You too.
Huh?
You too. You're a very handsome
You
man.
two are later sort. You know you two are later sort.
It's not a little sort,
It's-
but it's good.
Hey! Ata! Hey! Ata! You, come, Ata, come! Hey. Ata, come! How are you?
By the grace of God, oh.
Hey. The one you asked me, told him. What you say now?
Please, are you not the one I first...
Don't worry. Who are you looking
Oh,
for?
prepare.
Sorry.
Oh, predodo.
Who are you looking
Missing
for?
can't accept you are telling
Who
me.
are you looking for?
I'm looking for Mr. Kwachi, the king of this town.
Oh, the king of this one.
Yeah.
What did you kind
Yeah, you should look for Mr. Kwachi. Mr. Kwachi, the king of this town.
Oh, man. Oh, him.
Not for him, man.
Nah, him.
Ohine. Ohine.
Yes.
Oh, because I know no.
No, I'm his daughter.
You are.
His daughter, lovely daughter.
Let me
Is it what you?
say his daughter. That is
Ninya Bano.
Hey.
Mama Jimiana.
Brother.
Brother, say, I'm talking to what Jimiana.
No, but... Lower your voice, you're shouting. Is that how you guys talk?
No, sorry.
Oh.
Took him to the.
let me show you.
So what you say?
Don't worry.
I'm
Let me
not
show
the one
you.
who just...
Don't worry about it. Follow me. Let me show you.
Hey, today be today. Oh.
Ata! Your twins.
Okay.
Mommy. Hey, come here, Raddy. I have a battle best for me. Come here, Raddy. I have a better Toga sister money. That twins.
Hey, Togo sisters. Bye.
The found Ben. Show her the palace, please.
Hey.
So let me show you over here.
Bro, seriously, I'm tired.
Don't worry about
I'm
it.
tired. So if you guys know, sir, you
You
can
say
show
you are
me.
looking for somebody. Wait now. Why they rush like this?
Oh. My father took place something else. I can use the Google map. He says, ask who? This village, everybody's like, okay, fine.
I'm going to show you. Quiet.
You better show me
And
because I'm
relax for me.
tired. I'm really tired.
Relax for me.
Seriously. Ah.
Hey!
Hello.
So,
So, Odaba.
I'm coming. Wait.
Hey.
I see my brother.
3.5 billion. Oh,
Hey,
3.5.
bro. Please, you just look at your shoe.
Good.
Change it.
Research, don't worry. That's how you wear it. 3.5 here. Okay. 3.5 billion.
That's my brother.
Yeah. So to the boys.
Bro,
Okay.
please, let's go. Just stay in there. You're going to show me
Wait, I'm
something.
up to this man to finish now. Why they rush?
Mate. Any problem, why? Oh, I got laugh for Kenya.
You just stop saying that. Maybe you're going
Don't
to...
worry about it. Wait.
Okay.
Hey.
Allow to finish. Bro? You turn your phone though.
My mouth pink. Hey! What going?
Bro, it's not easy. Oh. Me, I'm a check at the door.
Daddy.
What do you want to be? This woman, eh? Or so she should be.
Who are you looking for?
My daddy is not just Obi,
Pacho, where am I?
the king of this village.
The king of this village.
Can you speak Chi?
No.
Okay. Translate for me. Tell her translate for me.
I'm looking for the king of this village. Like this
Okay.
town. Mr. Apache.
Okay.
Tell him.
I said, I'm looking for Mr. Kwachi, the king of this village or town. That's all. Mr. Kwachi.
Okay.
Tell him.
I thought you tell about I know work around the check.
Hey!
It's a lie.
What's the Mampani check?
It's a lie.
Can you look for Mampani check?
Please. Sing it, let's go.